The Ottoman Empire was one of the largest, longest lasting, and most influential empires in world history. At its peak, it controlled territory across three continents Europe, Asia, and Africa and ruled over dozens of ethnic and religious groups. The empire was founded around 1299 by Osman I. The name Ottoman comes from the Turkish form of his name Osman. At the time, Anatolia, modern Turkey, was fragmented into many small Turkish states after the decline of Seljuk Turks. Osman's small principality gradually expanded by conquering neighboring territories. The Ottomans expanded steadily during the 14th and 15th century. A major turning point came in 1453 when the Ottoman Sultan Mehmed II captured Constantinople, ending the thousand-year-old Byzantine Empire. The city was renamed Istanbul and became the Ottoman capital. Many historians consider this one of the most important events in world history. The Ottoman Empire reached its greatest extent during the reign of Suleiman the Magnificent in 16th century. At its height, the empire controlled Greece, Bulgaria, Serbia, Bosnia, Hungary, and Romania in Europe, Turkey, Syria, Iraq, Palestine, parts of Arabia in Asia, Egypt, Libya, Tunisia, Algeria in Africa. The empire sat between Europe and Asia. It controlled many major trade routes connecting Europe, Middle East, India, and China. This gave the Ottomans enormous economic and strategic power. The Ottoman rulers were Muslims. After conquering many Islamic territories, Ottoman sultans became recognized by many Muslims as caliphate. The empire contained some of Islam's holiest cities, including Mecca, Medina, and Jerusalem. The Ottomans possessed one of the world's most effective armies for centuries. A famous military institution was the Janissaries. They were among the most disciplined soldiers of their era. Unlike many modern nation states, the Ottoman Empire was highly diverse. Its subjects included Turks, Arabs, Greeks, Armenians, Kurds, Serbs, Bulgarians, Albanians, and Jews. The empire often allowed different religious communities significant autonomy under a system known as the Millet system. This flexibility helped it govern a vast multicultural population. By the 18th and the 19th century, the Ottoman Empire began to decline due to a combination of military, economic, political, and social factors. While European powers underwent rapid industrialization and military modernization, the Ottoman military struggled to keep pace, resulting in a growing technological and strategic gap. At the same time, the rise of nationalism inspired many ethnic groups within this empire, such as the Greeks, Serbs, and Bulgarians, to seek independence and establish their own nation states, weakening imperial cohesion. Economically, the empire faced increasing competition from cheaper and more advanced European industrial goods, which undermined local industries and reduced economic competitiveness. These challenges were compounded by administrative inefficiency, corruption, and bureaucratic stagnation, which weakened the state's ability to govern effectively and respond to emerging crises. Collectively, these factors transformed the Ottoman Empire from one of the world's dominant powers into what European statesmen increasingly referred to as the sick man of Europe. The Ottoman Empire joined First World War on the side of Germany and Austria-Hungary. The Ottomans hoped to recover lost territories, resist Russian expansion, preserve imperial power. Instead, the war proved disastrous. After defeat in 1918, Arab territories were lost, the empire collapsed, allied powers occupied parts of Anatolia. Following the war, a Turkish nationalist movement led by Mustafa Kemal Atatürk fought against foreign occupation. This culminated in Turkish War of Independence. In 1923, Turkey was founded. In 1924, the Ottoman Caliphate was abolished, marking the formal end of the Ottoman imperial system.